In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a disabled Facebook ad account. Now, if you've ever run an ad campaign, you know how frustrating it can be when your Facebook ad account suddenly gets disabled. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of getting it up and running again. Let's begin with the first important step. When you find out that your account has been disabled, either through an email notification or a message on your business support homepage, your immediate response should be to request a review. This link will take you directly to the form necessary to initiate an appeal. It's crucial to act promptly because doing this as soon as possible gives you a better chance of a quick resolution. Now, sometimes, despite your best efforts, the issue might not be resolved on the first go. If your review request doesn't do the trick, don't lose hope. The next step is to get in touch with Meta Business Support. You can do this by navigating to the support section within your Business Manager account, where you'll find options to either chat or email their support team. When you reach out, make sure to clearly explain the situation. Detail the sequence of events leading up to the account's disablement and mention any specific steps you've already attempted to rectify the problem. This is where articulating the impact on your business comes into play. Clearly emphasize how crucial your ad account is for your operations and the negative consequences this disablement has had. It's important to convey this not as a complaint, but more as a fact of the substantial roles these ads play in driving your business forward. Stressing that your account being down affects not just you, but potentially clients and customers too, can help underscore the importance of resolving this issue swiftly. In addressing them, always state your belief that the account disablement might have been an error. This encourages the person handling your case to take a second thorough look. Asking for an escalation to an internal review team for a manual review is your next move. They have the authority to take a closer look at your case. Beyond automated checks, to see if your account seems to comply with their advertising policies. Remember, while engaging with the support team, professionalism goes a long way. Maintain a polite and cooperative tone in all communications. This approach helps foster a smoother dialogue and can potentially expedite the resolution process. What I want you to take away from this guide is not just the steps, but the approach itself, being prompt, detailed, and persistent with a touch of professionalism. While it can be a challenging situation, with these strategies, your chances of getting your account reinstated are significantly improved. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to growing your business with Facebook ads.